Good morning. Royal Menons are kingly in nature. They are beyond politics. Royal straighteousness, straight right, straight left, straight. Every soul contributes towards soul consciousness, royal consciousness. They have a distinguishable, different system to create destiny with power yoga, their own divinity, dignity, decency, and highest three syllabus. We are all creating new syllabus, a new millennium. So global Menons and MESSOULS are together for a certain purpose with highest clarity of a visionary path, NIJA's path. There is no confusion, doubts for royal Menons. They cannot follow any system that is not viable for growth stories or values of divinity. So Menons are on top with highest clarity of a visionary path. Then Global Menons Association is a must for MESSOULS that takes care of the entire human species in divine nature and spiritual culture. East and West together. Global Menons, Royal Menons, Kingdom of MESSOULS, Spiritual Kingdom of MESSOULS, NIJA Raja Yogic life. Raj Yoga means kingly nature, emperor way. The kingly nature of Raja Yoga allows Menons to be royals and loyals too. Non-betrayal, honesty and sincerity and straightforwardness. Everything is inbuilt in me space of Royal Menons. Join me unit space for the best efforts to create destiny. Creators and co-creators. Organizers souls and co-organizer souls. Left you all. Few words only for real souls who love to be in tune with ME spirituality.